Hello aspirants. So now we are going to discuss few of the questions for the upcoming forest ranger exam. The first question is, which of the following is a major threat to biodiversity? The options are given: habitat destruction, invasive alien species, overexploitation and pollution, and the correct answer is all the four. So this is one of the important question. Next is umbrella spaces are spaces whose conservation, and the answer is helps protect a wider range of species sharing its habitat. So the option will be B. You need to remember about umbrella spaces. Third is consider the following statement regarding silviculture, a very important topic. And here the three options have been given. It deals with establishment growth and composition. Next, it is concerned with only timber production. And third is it seeks to maintain forest productivity on a sustainable basis. So the first and the third option is correct. Next is, which of the following is a characteristic of selection system? The correct option will be B. Removal of selected trees at regular intervals. So that will be your correct answer on selection system. Remember the keyword. The primary purpose of thinning in a forest stand is to reduce competition among retained trees. Now, thinning removes selected trees to regulate stand density and improve the growth and quality of retained trees. Next is coppice generation primarily occurs through. The answer is shoots arising from stools or stumps. See, whenever in a forest specifically, you need to understand the keyword and remember that. Next question is, which of one of the following is most closely associated with the shelterwood system? And the answer is A. Regeneration under partial shelter of the existing crop. Which of the following factors is least directly related to successful natural regeneration? And the answer is international timber prices. Option D. Next is Tonga system. Tonga system is the keyword. Is primarily associated with agricultural crops raised along with forest plantation during establishment. So the option is B. Tonga system. Which of the following is an important objective of forest management? Now here few options have been given: sustainable production of forest goods, biodiversity conservation, soil and water conservation, complete elimination of local community participation, and the correct answer is first three. Next, on forest ecology, which ecological pyramid is always upright? So that is the question, and the answer is pyramid of energy. Energy decreases at successive trophic levels, making the energy pyramid increasing. Next is primary succession differs from secondary succession because primary succession begins on a previously unoccupied substrate lacking developed soil. Next is, which of the following organisms are important decomposer in forest ecosystem? And the answer is fungi and bacteria. So here I have selected few of the important questions. Note it down. Mycorrhiza represents an association with fungi and plant roots. Mycorrhiza are very important. Fungi can enhance nutrient and water uptake by plant roots. So remember that. Which of the following represents an important ecosystem service provided by forest? Options are given: soil secretion, soil erosion control, regulation of water cycle, habitat provision, and the correct answer is all the four. A food web is generally more stable than a simple food chain because it provides multiple feeding pathways. So food web is different from food chain. It is more complex in food web. Which of the following is a density dependent factor regulating forest regulation? And the answer is competition for resources. Option C. Next question is, the term ecotone refers to a transition zone between two ecosystems or communities. So when there is a transition zone between two ecosystems, then ecotone has been referred. Next question is, the edge effect is particularly important in fragmented forest because B. Conditions near habitat boundaries may differ from those in the interior. So that is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following is generally considered invasive alien species in India? And the answer is Lantana camera. So that is the correct answer. Option A. Let's move to the next question, that is in situ conservation means. Now there's two type of conservation, in situ and ex situ. So in situ conservation is conservation within the natural habitat, and ex situ is from outside. They are being brought for the conservation. Which of the following is an example of ex situ conservation? And the answer is seed bank. Now in the option, you can see there are various kinds of it. The correct is seed bank. Next is consider the following statement. Wildlife corridors can facilitate movement between fragmented habitat. Habitat fragmentation can reduce gene flow between pollutions. Corridors are relevant only for migratory birds, and the correct option is first two. The carrying capacity of a habitat refers to maximum population size that an environment can sustainably support under given conditions. So that is the correct answer. That is option B. Next question, which of the following is an important method of wildlife population estimation? And the answer is line transect. So the important method of wild population estimation is line transect. A keystone species is one of the has a disproportionately large ecological effect relative to its abundance. So that is the correct answer. That is option B, a keystone species. Next question, which one of the following best describes human-wildlife conflict? And the answer is negative interaction between humans and wildlife arising from competition or damage. Next is which protected area category generally allows greater degree of regulated human use than a national park? And the correct answer is A, wildlife sanctuary. So that is the correct answer. With this, I like to conclude the questions. Definitely is a series. Already 2 video is uploaded. So stay tuned with the upcoming questions or the most probable questions. And also if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it with your lovely friends. Thank you. That's all for today.